Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Myself Pooja and you watching me on UPSC with Pooja. So after a very long time I am making video in English version because as you have seen since last few days or few weeks I am making video in Bengali version. So I got only 2 comments, those who are asking me to make the video in English version. Now I will tell you why I am making video in Bengali version, because most of you are maybe thinking that why Pooja Di is giving in only in Bengali, because for the language barrier we cannot understand the only the concept. The first thing is that the videos which I am making in Bengali, I have already made those videos in English version in my channel already since last 1.5 years. So I am making the same videos, the same content in Bengali version. The first reason is that this one. The second is already there are a lot of videos are available in YouTube. Those are in English and Hindi version for the UPSC. But for the UPSC, there are very less videos. Only except my channels which are giving UPSC related content in Bengali version, because that's the main reason why Bengali people are not interested in UPSC, or you can say there are very less people who are preparing for the UPSC. The main reason is that lack of guidance, lack of videos which are available in the Bengali version. That's the main reason why people are scared for the UPSC. That's why I am trying to do something different, that so that Bengali people can get a good position in the UPSC. That's the main reason. Now come to the third point, that is the 98% of my audience is now from the West Bengal, because I got only 2 comments that ma'am make the video or Didi make the video in English version, because almost there are 200 or 300 comments. Only 2 comments are there that they are asking me to make the videos in English. So that's why from that reason I got to understand that most of my subscribers, or you can say most of my viewers at this moment, most of my viewers are from the Bengal, and when I give the videos in English version there are lack views which don't for that reason I am getting demotivated. That's why I am making these videos. If people are not interested, then why I will make the videos, right? So when I am making when I am making the videos, the main reason is that motivation comes from your comment, your likes and your queries. So when I am making the videos in English version, I got very less views, very less comment, very less feedback. So that's the main reason I am stop making videos in English version. But yes, if you are asking me, if you are requesting me for a particular topic that ma'am make this topic in English, I will definitely make that video in English. I am promising that if you are asking for that video that ma'am make the same video in English version, I will definitely make. But if that video is already there in my channel in English version, then I really don't want to make the same content, because since last 1.5 years I have made 210 videos. So in the 200 videos you can expect that I have covered almost all the areas, and in the month of November I will try to cover previous year analysis of UPSC prelims, UPSC mains with the current affairs, Vision IAS monthly current affairs, or you can say for the WBCS current affairs analysis, each and everything, or Hindi newspaper analysis in Bengali version. The reason is that I am clarifying this because most of you are asking, and this is my responsibility to clarify with all of you. So that's why I am making this video. This type of video already they are in the YouTube, and by a good recommended YouTube channels, or you can say good institute like Vision IAS is already doing the previous year analysis of prelims and mains since last 5 years or 10 years. Or you can say Only IAS, Study Lover Veer, they are making the Hindu analysis in English and Hindi version. There are a lot of YouTube channels, those who are giving the same content in English or Hindi version, but in the Bengali version, or you can say Bengali content, there are, you can say you won't get a single one channel. So I want to give the same content in Bengali version for my Bengali boys and girls, those who are preparing for the UPSC, but they don't get the content, they don't get the guidance, or you can say any of the materials, lack of you can say there are language barrier for the English or Hindi version. Many of the people are not comfortable in the English or Hindi version, so that's why they are scared of preparing UPSC. So I am trying to give this content in Bengali. That's the main reason. If you are searching for the same content, you will get lot of videos or from recommended YouTube channels. So I will highly recommend you, if you are searching for this type of content, you can refer that YouTube channels. Or if you are asking me to make any guidance related videos like for UPSC 2022 strategy or 23 strategy, or last 1 month, 3 month strategy, this type kind of strategy videos or guidance videos, or what I have done in my attempts, this kind of video, I will definitely make videos in English version. I have no problem or no issues with that. I am stopping English version video just because of the reach, or you can say just because of the less feedback, because most of my subscribers, 99% people are commenting on my videos are in Bengali version. So that's why I am making the videos in Bengali, nothing else. And for the classes which I am trying to take from the November, like for the NCERT class or any standard books classes or demo classes, these kind of classes, I always take classes in Bengali. In my paid batch also, I always take Bengali classes, the Bengali language classes. The reason is that I am not so much comfortable in English for clarifying your concept. For the concept clearing, I am much more comfortable in my mother tongue. So that's why I am always try to take classes in Bengali version, because if I try to clear your concept in English version, that will give me a burden, because I am not so much fluent, or you can say I am not so much comfortable in English so that I can know each and every concept fluently in English version. But I know my mother tongue properly, so that's why I can clear your concept or my clarification in Bengali. So that's why I am making the classes in the Bengali version. So this is a clarification video, so that you don't get demotivated or you don't get hurt, so that Didi is giving only in Bengali version videos. But yes, I am telling you, if you have any request topic, if you are telling me that ma'am make this video in English version or make that video in English version, I will definitely do that video in English or Hindi version. I will try my best for that. So that's it for this video. I hope you can understand, I hope you can support, I hope you will support me. But one thing I want to tell here, that yes, I will do one study vlog every Sunday. So study vlog would be in English, so that each and everyone can get access of it. So study vlog would be definitely in English. I am promising no Bengali version study vlog. So I will definitely do the study vlog on every Sunday 12 PM. So if you want to watch that study vlog, definitely you can subscribe to my channel, study vlog 12 PM on every Sunday. So that will be obviously in English version. So or if you have any requested topic, I will definitely make the videos in English too. So that's it for today's video. I hope you can understand, I hope you will support me. So that's it for today. And if you feel that this video is beneficial, do give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.